That's a monster mark.
Oh, it's a very nice fish.
So, we haven't really filmed a official intro yet, so we're just gonna let you guys know what's going on so far to this point in the video. So, we arrived at Scott's cabin last night at like 11ish, and then we got everything ready and set up, and Cook's hooked up. Mid intro.
Tiny, doesn't even matter.
Where did I leave off, guys?
I don't know.
So I'll just start from where we are now. We left the whole. What time did we leave the cabin this morning?
About
Like,
7.
no, like
30.
No, like 8.
8
Okay,
o'clock
maybe.
ish.
Yeah.
So 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock ish. Sure, I can say that.
It might have been earlier if I did.
So we left the cabin at like 8 o'clock, and then we got out here around 10, and got everything set up around 10:30, and now it's just straight whiteout conditions,
It's a
snowing
crazy storm.
super hard.
Yeah, it's too bad.
It is a huge snow. If it was like this when we were at the cabin, we wouldn't have even left.
No.
It was insane when we were setting up. Like,
You're grinding that.
Yeah.
alright, so, yeah.
Here he is.
You might be in northern.
So,
Just in case, you never know.
This is a decent one. He's got some decent head shakes.
If you
Oh, it's a...
two of these.
What's up, buddy? Alright.
I guess it's actually
Well,
really
two
good trout bait.
Hit it with a little release here. Hooked up.
Puny little guy.
Honestly, that'd make a turd.
Alright. Another little guy.
There's a fish right here. Adam missed him.
You really had one on it.
He's right here, though.
Oh, there's fish down there.
There's a lot of fish down there. Honestly, don't think I have bait on here. Because they're not really interested in it.
Here we go. Got one.
Hooked up.
That's actually a decent one.
It is a decent one. You the deuce fixer?
I saw it through the
Get him
ice.
out of there. That's an eater.
That is an eater.
Why does it look so weird?
It's a sauger.
You can keep 2 of those per person.
Yeah.
Alright, guys.
Holy crap.
What? What?
First eater of the day.
It's banking its us out here.
First eater of the day right here. Going in the pail. Here's what we're fishing in the conditions.
Aye!
What? You good? Well, stripped it up.
The only thing I don't like about using treble hooks.
What in the heck just happened? That thing just smoked me out of nowhere.
What is it?
Huh, I don't know. Someone take my deucer.
Slow down a little bit, bud.
Dude. What?
I just saw it under the ice.
What? That's what I was saying.
It's in northern.
No, you gotta see that on the clip. Oh, hey, release my drag on my bail. Release my bail on this rod. It's hooked up in it, and on that one too. It's hooked in all the rods. Get them. Grab him.
Oh, Jesus, it's a big
I knew it was in
one.
northern.
Yeah, I knew too once I.
I saw it underneath the hole and I was like,
You got him? That guy's like a tumor.
my drag break?
Yes.
It's an eater.
We should just go to someone's house.
That boy's gonna eat it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, it's the same size as the other one. Ooh, hooked up.
That's what's up.
Oh, there's one down here still, but I want to get out of the juicer.
It's not that big, but
Is it a keeper at least, you think?
no.
At all?
Nope. It's pretty small, actually.
It's a little boy?
Yeah, it's pretty small. Doing a sauger. There must be only saugers here.
That's what I was thinking. I got one on my dead stick.
There's that one.
This guy's about to catch fish.
Got him.
I don't think they're even going to check out your fish. I think they're just going to stand here and check out my new quad merch.
I missed the hook set, but it's okay.
Yeah, minor. I don't know if it's a keeper, but
Is it?
no.
Guy's trying to get a tail grab on it.
Just
Getting really close to him.
Adam's first. Tell him. Tell him about
Oh yeah, my first of the day, boys.
Yeah. Oh, I thought you were taking a picture. Jake went outside to shut the snowcat off in the foiler, but missed this one on his rod, so throwing him in the pail. Alright, so we just got done fishing at this spot and we were packing up, and we had our GoPro sitting right here all day, so we drilled in and had our little GoPro mount, but must have had a little ice in the auger because it's stuck to the bottom, so we're trying to heat it up. So that's the situation we're in right now. Not sure what to do.
We're screwed.
Yeah, rip on Bun's auger. Should we try it? I'm gonna leave his auger out there.
Alright, well, we got the auger out. And we're going to fill all our stuff into the sled and then get out of here. Well, we made it back to the cabin. Tuck, what are you doing over there?
Cooking? Per
Cooking?
usual.
Tucker's hobby right now.
It is actually my hobby.
What are you cooking?
I'm cooking up the fish we caught. Fish we kept, yeah.
Really?
Different recipe than usual, though.
What's that?
Some like spicy breading. I don't know.
Oh. Patagonia. What are we doing tomorrow?
Tomorrow we're gonna head out the 4 block, hoping to at least limit out. Maybe catch more if possible.
Maybe a slot, huh?
That'd be nice. Get a slot fish. Or like a trophy fish. That'd be kind of awesome.
Yeah, like one of them, maybe?
Yeah, one of them would be nice.
Yeah, maybe we should catch a malter, huh? Alright, I'm gonna finish cooking up this fish and then we'll see you guys in the morning. What happened?
Well, unless if you're boiling it.
Morning, guys. As you can see, oh maybe it's a little bright out.
Slept in.
We slept in about 3 hours, so it's like 9 now.
9:30 actually.
Well, we woke up at about 9.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll get back to it when we're packing up. Don't even think it's a walleye, honestly.
What's the walleye? What's the side is?
Dog, dog. He was so aggressive, though. Alright. Caught this guy. We weren't really recording, but. There's one. I wish I would have been on my GoPro, but it's not even really. Not even
what?
on. Watch out, Adam.
Not really. No, we're at 4 block right now.
Wait it. Look at this guy.
Slayed that guy.
Look at this guy on my screen.
Hey, throw this guy.
Look at him.
Oh, look. Here he is. Here he is. There he is. Boom, on the GoPro on the Vex.
I won't try it the Vex, but
I gotta go a little bit slower with this guy.
I'll suit. I'm gonna reel up and put that guy on.
Boomed him on the front hook.
You hear a rattle in here?
Just caught that guy. Oh, that's the hook's making noise. See you, buddy.
Maybe or I don't know. Keeper, I think.
That is, bro. Yeah, that is. That's for sure a keeper.
So this is a better spot than yesterday.
It's another
Yeah,
sauger.
we've got way more.
I literally was just messing around with my bag. Is that the first one in the pail?
No, second. That's a big stand on, I think, too.
Same as always. I was trying to splash into my brew.
Oh, that's Red Fox. No way they called Red Fox away to pick him off.
Slayed him.
Oh, that's Sunset.
See ya.
He's booling, he's drifting.
Is he?
Tucker's won it. Oh,
Grabbed him. He's just a little baby.
you did grab him.
You took. Oh, I'm hooked up on Adam.
Aww. I think we should keep him.
I think I was. Here's a fish.
Alright, so here's the fish I just caught. It's a little one.
It's a little guy, huh? There we go.
Actually, a good one.
It is actually good.
I know.
He kind of was a good one, but I don't know anymore.
How do I have Lakeside?
He might be
Still
hooked
not
on Jake.
the perch.
It's a monster perch.
Jumbo.
Bonus boy in the pillow.
But I say we do it before we
An
leave.
absolute hog donkey right here.
Jumbo perch. Alright, I'm gonna call flag.
I say we do it before we leave, Tuck.
Get a nice hog donkey right there.
Alright, be quiet.
A 1x1
Oh,
tower.
oh, come on.
Boom
Good.
on.
Dang.
Come on, double up now. It's recording good.
It is recording good. Little boy.
What are you using, Jake?
Buckshot, pink buckshot.
They liking it?
You know, not really, but
They're biting it though.
sometimes. Another one going back.
Oh, stop, bro.
No, after I catch this fish, it's on me already.
Buckshot might be the way to go.
I thought you just said they weren't biting on it.
They weren't.
They're biting on it now. Probably the exact same one.
Nah, you wouldn't tell me. This guy's still down here though, Jake. I like that you told me to catch this guy.
Hooks on my umber.
See a lot of small fish, like I just said 30 seconds ago. Let's do it.
Simple break.
He's wrapping the deuce.
He's in the deuce. Get him out of there. Clamped on him and he's not.
They're just coming out of nowhere. It wasn't even on my umber. Oh, wait a minute.
Is it a decent fish?
No, he's ready now.
That's smaller than tiny.
That's why it wasn't going down. It was wrapped around my thing.
Okay.
Hurricane out there? Dang.
Airplane over here landing.
Alright guys, we're gonna head over to Flag and get something to eat, so we'll catch you over there. Alright guys, well we just went out and ate and we're back in the tent and
Slow down.
slow down for sure.
Yeah. It'll probably pick up though right here before dark. Hopefully, anyways. Catch a couple more, maybe tonight again. Yeah. A lot of little ones today. I set the hook with my other rod.
It is getting dark in here.
Yeah, I know.
This guy literally is killing all.
Got this little boy.
Can't believe it hasn't swam wet.
Dang.
Nice.
Hey, you know we always have these GoPros off.
Yeah, Sam. I think he's in my feet.
Gotta be that one next.
Alright.
I'm just gonna go put him in the pail, so.
Yeah.
You know.
Italy.
There's that one. Nice sauger.
It's all small sauger that we're catching here.
That is true. It is
That
all
was- that
small
was
saugers.
not bad.
Well,
That was like
all saugers,
yeah,
but mostly
and
small.
perch.
Alright guys, it's day 3. Kinda already started fishing, forgot to film an intro. But we got 2 in the pail already and caught a lot more. So I think it's gonna be a good day, so just stay tuned and enjoy.
There we go. I think it's just this baby sauger, but
Yeah. We're here for the big ones. Where they at?
the other thing I don't like about treble hooks, they always get like tangled to your line. Oh dang.
Yeah.
That is what you're after.
Just got that one. I don't know what you want to do.
I don't care.
I don't really want to flay. Yeah, we won't keep any today.
Oh, this is a very nice fish.
Doubled up. Is that a nice one?
Yeah.
I would get your deucer, but I can't. There we go.
Dang. You might have to toss on that
We
one.
might have to keep fish now because
This thing's nice.
it's a perfect eater.
Hey, Jake's gonna look at this fish. He's like,
True. Gosh dang hockey practice, am I right? In Minnesota.
yeah.
Alright, let's go. You wanna... Yeah, we can put them in a pail. Then you can snag a picture with them once you get your hat. So, get able to snag your hat.
That's a nice fish.
Yeah. Get them?
Yeah, he got it. Small.
Yeah. They're all like that. Like, just
Yeah, there's a-
about an eater.
Oh! Got the hook in me. Alright. There's that one. Probably like 10.
10.
Like a 10 incher.
Oh, my other rod's down too.
Wait, is it really?
No, I think I might have wrapped him up. He got bit, sure. Or he got bombed or something. Don't go in my hot cocoa, sir. I don't really want your water in my hot cocoa.
I don't even think he's on. Oh, maybe he's on there. I can't even. Yeah, I'm gonna put this one in the pail. It's probably like a 14,
15, maybe.
15 incher.
Pail.
Hook right now.
No.
Oh, you should get one deuce.
I should. He's probably already wrapped in your dosage. Oh, he's not bad.
Start it all.
I'm over here just
Oh.
teaching them off.
Oh,
You got another one down there still.
there's another one. Probably about
A
another
little
18
less, a
incher.
little bit less than that one, maybe.
Maybe 17. Something like that. So I'll toss in the pail. Oh, I have another one right here.
That's what I was saying. Jeez. That's another nice one. Must have just caught his brother or something.
Oh,
Oh!
what is this?
Is it a slot? I just missed a nice one too. Oh,
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I'm gonna need your pliers. Actually, maybe not. No, I won't. It's right there. I can
here.
see it. This is a really nice one. We're taking a picture with this one. I want to measure this.
Yeah, let me just throw my bait back down.
Yeah. I feel so bad for Jake.
Yeah, same.
We're out here catching nice fish, and he's
At home. Oh, he's actually at practice right
hockey
now.
practice.
Hockey practice gets you dirty.
He's gonna watch this footage when he
Hold on, let me catch this guy quick.
I think.
Hand line! Oh, got him on my hand! I just set those with my hand. Oh my gosh. Alright, let me come get a picture of this.
Could literally just do this and go GoPro take a picture.
No, we want a good picture for Instagram.
Sure.
Mid-nap, huh? Oh, he has me sat too.
This might be a bucket. Fight to you, bud. Huh? Oh my.
Are you good, bud? I'm trying.
Here's one.
Ow!
See, it's probably like a 15 incher thing. That one's probably like the same size. Probably not a 15 incher. 14. Yeah. We should catch you walleyes today. I'll not take.
Boom.
You okay or what?
Eat it. Right into the live while he goes.
That is so sick.
Spread your gills for me.
That's actually a nice one.
Another nice fish.
Very nice.
Yeah. So, guys, little midday update here. We have 6 fish in the pail. We just got back from eating at Flag Island. Pretty good food there, huh?
Very good.
Had them at a little to-go box, but fish kind of
Slow down.
slowed down, not biting much. Haven't marked anything for a little while now, but I think it'll pick up here pretty soon.
I'll make 3.
The bite will get pretty good again, and then we're gonna head home tonight and enjoy the new year. So yeah,
Actually, marking a
Just,
fish right now.
stay tuned.
You grab one?
Don't worry, either. Right into the pail he goes. It's a limit right there. Limit. Oh, it's a sauger, I think. Perfect.
That's not our limit then.
I can't stay.
I knew I didn't have a minnow on this thing. Or
A little sauger. Gonna get released right into the pail. Boom, baby. This is a nice one, too. Deuce pull, honestly.
go slow, go slow.
Damn.
Okay.
This is a really nice fish. This is a really nice fish.
I'm getting ready for my arm just in case.
Boom.
I don't know, let's measure it.
On the rip and wrap. Last fish of the day.
Hey, before we